Baji.
Daddy, water.
Okay, go get water. Baji, come here.
They're tough.
Come show us your pants. Come on. Come here. Why not? You're gonna show us when you go to school? Let's go see Baji's pants. Let's go walk over there. Ooh, nice pants, Baji. Where did you buy those pants? Those fancy pants. Your pants are falling down.
I'm gonna take them off.
Why are you trying to take off your pants? Those are some nice pants. You can't get them at any store. Okay, let me pull them off. So, brother, do you like your pants? You don't like your pants? How come? They're nice pants. You don't want to wear your pants? How come? But they're nice. You want to take it off? Okay, here. I'll help you take it off, okay? Okay, Baji will help you take it off.
Get down. No, get down like this. Daddy, get down.
Yeah. I wish I had pants like that, brother. Okay, we're going to take your pants off.